I'm the JakeOfALL, and in this video we're going to show you these new Milwaukee tumblers. And supposedly these cups leak, so this is the last chance. This cups, wait, don't leak! Oh.
Alright, now that you've gotten all wet, will you get over here? We got a video to do.
I'm trying to dry off.
Oh, dry yourself off.
Luckily in
Crazy
Florida, you know, I'm either sweaty or whatever.
Yeah.
Packout cups exist. They exist and they're multiplying. I have.
They're having babies.
They're Packout cup babies. I have the big one. I haven't even opened this one yet. I was saving this for you guys. And I have the little one. What is this thing? 30 ounce, and this is like 20 ounce or something like that. So these cups, right, everyone wanted them. And if you don't remember, before they came out, Electron Smith, Benjamin Johnson's on Instagram made this 3D printed cup holder. This cup holder, there's a couple other cup holders out there that we'll show you, but this cup holder was sort of your only option if you wanted to put a cup on top of a Packout. There are a couple other ones to attach rails and things like that. We'll go into that. But yeah, we wanted to talk about these. I love it.
They're beautiful.
They're beautiful.
Yeah.
I think they need a black one.
Or black and red one.
Or black and red one. So, there's huge flaws with them, right? They suck.
Supposedly there's huge flaws.
Huge flaws. We'll show you. I honestly don't think there's only two that well, okay, there's three. But one of them's not the cup, one of them's something else that the cup attaches to. But this is the one that I've been carrying, and it's got water in it because it's Florida. I promise it's water. Oh, my eyes! Oh, I promise it's got water in it. But yeah, they attach to Packouts, right? Isn't that the whole thing? So you can grab like the cooler and you can pick it up. So right, this is Palooza, and it's a video all about cups. So to make it a little less boring,
fans because it's really hot.
I mean, we have the ceiling fans.
It's just not on.
Well, because
I can't reach it.
That's why I put it up there. So let's talk about the flaw, right?
There's a huge flaw according to everybody.
According to the interwebs, when you close this, if you're lazy, close and open, it's a squirter.
Sorry.
I live with one. All right, so here. Okay. I really don't think that's that big of a deal because watch. Well, here's what you do. You're drinking. That's some good beverage. Use your finger to slow it down a little bit. It's not the worst.
But people are in a hurry.
Okay, whatever.
So they shouldn't be complaining that squirters are on the cup.
All right. Well, I mean, whatever. Everyone likes a squirter.
Maybe it's just like trying to cool you off when you're drinking.
Yeah, it's like a little face refresher.
Ah.
So what's the other flaw?
So the other flaw is it doesn't fit in everything.
That's honestly a small flaw.
Okay.
I'll show you that.
Oh, okay. Okay, so that's my minor flaw.
I'll show you that flaw at the end. We're going to do a fit of everything and show you what it fits in.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so what's the other flaw?
That it leaks.
Oh.
Right? They leak. If you hold these upside down, supposedly they leak. Because if I went to 7-Eleven or McDonald's and bought a drink with a lid and held it upside down, I'm sure it wouldn't leak at all, right?
Oh, yeah. You could do a lawsuit.
So this is Cuppapalooza.
Wait, does that mean you do a lawsuit against them for it's leaking?
I know it's leaking. So what should we do in Cuppapalooza?
Well, we got to test other cups.
We're going to test
other cups. That's what we do. We test other products. Oh,
Okay.
Okay. So, well, we're going to go with the Milwaukee one first. Well, can I do it?
Sure.
Oh, I'm just going to dump it upside down?
Yeah,
Don't dump it on the stall. You might want to move that shit. Stuff. Beep! Wait, it's open. Of course it's going to come out. I want you to squirt it in my eye.
This is squirter.
Okay. Okay, so it's closed.
So these lids come off cups, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna hold our finger on it, and that's all we're gonna hold on each one. But we've got, they're not Yetis, but they're a bunch of different brands.
Yeah, they're different brands.
Okay.
We're cheap. Okay, are you ready? So this is the smaller Milwaukee.
The Milwaukee
one,
one, yeah.
So just dump.
Completely upside down. It leaks.
There's like one little thing I saw. Okay.
It leaks.
Oh no. Okay, if that's the biggest leak we have, that's not a problem. Which one do you want to do?
Doesn't work. Okay. Here. Look at this one.
What, and the lid's not even on.
Right? But look, this one doesn't even have a latch.
I know. Okay, what about this?
Okay, so people complain about the cups. All right, so this one has this, look at this lid on this thing. I don't know what this design was. This is the way it came. I honestly think this one, don't look at the brand. I honestly think this one was shipped and like the manufacturer, like it must have warped.
Okay, my turn?
Yeah.
No, okay, whatever. Wait a minute, I'll turn it this way so you can't see the brand.
You won't.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah. All right,
That
fail.
one leaks a lot.
Okay.
We're gonna do this one next.
Can I do one?
Fine.
Okay, so
I'm
this.
supposed to be your being away, not the other way
okay,
around.
come on, Vanna. So this is some I don't know, Walmart, but it's like this Super Mondo handle.
Yeah.
Crazy. It's got a straw hole.
American. Alright.
All right, go for it.
Okay, ready?
It's leaking. Okay, so it's leaking from the center. It's leaking from the sides. All right, so this leaks, and it leaks more, right?
Yeah.
So far, everything has leaked more than the Milwaukee.
What's this brand? Oh, this is like a Sam's Club brand.
So this one has a similar latch, but it's not bent.
Okay.
So it leaks.
I mean, yeah, if you tilt it sideways like that, it does.
Because these cups are all meant to be held upside down.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Sure. Why are we even doing this one?
Okay, so this one's a Yeti. So this is what I'm going to show you. Like, this is how it doesn't leak.
It's got a screw-on lid.
And this is all what they want to see, right?
If it came off and hit me in the head, I'd have to smack it.
So look, here's what you do.
This one doesn't have anything in it.
Get the Electron Smith cup holder. Put a Yeti in it. Hey, look.
Oh, we didn't try that one yet.
Shameless plug available at shop.jakeofall.com. Here's our cup. It's got a little lid.
Yeah, it's got a little place to put
Do I get to do this one?
Yeah, go ahead.
Gas!
Gasp!
Ours don't leak at all.
Gasp! Oh, so
Wait.
what does that mean? What does that mean? Which one's better?
Buy our cup and get our cup holder, and boom, it doesn't leak. But wait, there's a problem.
Oh, what's the problem? There's always a problem.
Stay there.
Okay.
Don't move.
I'm not gonna move, it's too hot.
Okay, so I hear very conflicting things from the interwebs, right? Because everyone of you wants to argue. Is that with Electron Smith's design, you can't do this.
Oh, no kidding. Really? Really?
Right? But this is why they want a non-leaking cup, right? Is because
so that they can hold their cup sideways? Who holds a cup sideways?
So if you remember that little clip where we talked about what it won't fit in, watch this. If you lean this back,
it
can pop out. So I'm going to show you how these engage in. There's two levels depending on the packout you're putting it in. They tried to obviously make it work on all their packouts. It wedges itself in there. It wedges itself to the front. Now, if you lean this thing up like this, it will come out.
Oh.
So let me get this straight. If I fill this up with liquid,
it's good.
Isn't it going to lean back?
Yes.
So this is just as useless as this.
Right.
So just buy
Why would you lean your cup sideways though?
Because people are like, I want to be able to do this.
No, just carry your cup like a man.
Well, wait, but there's a better option.
Okay, what's the better option?
Cobra Customs.
Oh, well, Cooper always has great ideas.
So if you guys, when I said the intro, these have been around. These mount to the rail. You can grab your handle, right? You can roll your packout stack. Your cup's there. These are perfectly good options. They're a little bit more expensive, but he's got them for a couple different sizes. You can use any cup with it. Ours. Especially ours. The 3D printed ones, we have a couple options. We can even customize it.
I might murder you if you customize it.
Well, I am the one that has to put it in.
I know.
But look. I say do that. Personally, whatever.
Still leaks though.
Okay, so it supposedly leaks. I want to grab, where's the cup that leaks? Here's the cup that leaks, right?
It doesn't always do it. Sometimes it does, sometimes, oh, there it goes.
There's a little leak. That's a joke. I'm sorry. If this is what you're worried about, like honestly,
you pay more and...
I want a squirter. So I don't consider that, I want a squirt. Hold on, let me take a sip because that's when it squirts more. Actually, I'm just hot. I gotta do it right. Actually, it's refreshing. It's Florida. So, okay, not a problem, right?
No.
It leaks a hair.
Yes.
But which butt cup leaked less? None.
Ours.
Ours, okay. And the Yeti with the screw on
Well,
it.
yeah. If that's
Okay, so
that's not fair to say.
it's a squirter. It leaks a tad,
Yes.
but compared to other cups, it doesn't leak worse. So, and the Yeti cups, you can swap these lids out for Yeti lids. A couple people on the interwebs have been talking
So
about
does it leak more or less if it's a Yeti lid?
it leaks less. The Yeti lids are better.
Okay.
But I like this lid. Let's show them this. Okay, this lid, you move it to that position, you grab this, it's magnetic. That's sort of why it's a squirter, right? Is because with this magnetic lid, it's not directly sealing, right? It's just physical plastic on plastic, and there's just going to be a possibility. But to clean this thing, you can pop this off very easily.
And
wash
then you
this,
get all the...
and you don't have to try to get it like the ones that are mechanical or engaged. Okay, so I don't know. I like the cup holder. I obviously sell these. I like both. When I go to the beach,
Hence why you have them all.
I might want to hide a beverage inside of a cup, and therefore this is a great option. But there's sometimes I don't care, or I don't think ahead of time, and this is usually in our beach bag, on our cooler, and I will go like this, and boom, right? Now I can have a few beverages.
His and hers a cup holder.
His and hers. Let's clip it on. Okay, so she's a squirter and she leaks, apparently.
Yes.
The cup holder is a squirter and it leaks, apparently.
Yes.
Okay.
So now we're gonna try.
Here's the thing. Milwaukee, as I showed you in that little clip, made 2 different levels to this so that it would fit a variety of things. These clear ones have a shallower depth, okay? Fits in there, no problem. You can get it to come out, okay, as I'm showing you there. Let's show you it fit in a bunch of different ones, okay?
Let's get to it.
All right.
Hey, it looks like I was out here.
Oh my gosh, stop it.
I'm just joking.
Well, then you must have squirted all over my forehead because I'm dripping wet. So let's
that.
move on. All right, I wanted to show you stuff that it fits in. Obviously, we saw it fit in there. But before we go down, I posted this on Instagram. You can take these little cleats from Stealth Mount and you can make a cup holder out of anything. All right.
Anything.
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 Ammo can. Ammo can is deeper. If you look at these two, see how shallow that is compared to that? That's why there's 2 heights to this. But it does fit in there pretty good. Again, you can bend it out of there. And I know a lot of people are going to be like, well, that's not what you're supposed to do. But you guys complain if we hold cup holders upside down. A clear, full size, it should fit the same as the hat. It does. A big one. Fits fine there. I'm betting we can still. Okay. So, I mean, I'm just saying, because I haven't showed you this along the way, but hold on. Electron Smith one doesn't come out at all. We know it doesn't come out of these. I thought we showed that, but okay. Let's come over here with me. The Packout racking. Electron Smith 1. Milwaukee. That does not work in there. That is not in there. I would not. Look here. Show it sideways. You got to go from a side to show it sideways.
Oh, that's completely crooked.
Yeah, not working, right?
No. That would really make somebody's drink spill.
Okay, so Milwaukee racking. This is new. Yes, a video is coming about this. I just got to convince her to spend $300.
Not gonna happen.
Apparently, your fan site isn't working. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Right, I'm fumbling because I'm fumbling. Is it working? Because everyone on the internet, when I posted about this, said it works for them. This does not work in there. You're doing it wrong, JakeOfALL. Sure I am. Okay, I'll keep trying it. If you get it to work, you are, no.
Wah, wah, wah.
It fits in this fine. And I know that's probably what they meant it for, right? General use. You're not going to be bending it backwards. That's going to stay. Hey, but this one's working too. And that one has been out forever. So,
Hey,
what?
Yeah. You got something
Did I
hanging from
forget to change? Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
One more spot. Hey, look.
hanging from the ceiling up there.
The Packout mounting plate. The original. You see how this one's crooked?
Well, yes.
So I sort of wedged it in. Why does this one have a label?
Because we're going to give that one away.
Oh, we're going to do a giveaway.
We are doing a giveaway.
We're doing a giveaway.
Yes.
It doesn't fit the ceiling. It doesn't fit the Packout bracket.
It doesn't.
But you guys can win this.
How can they win it?
I don't know. We didn't
We
discuss.
haven't thought about
How
that.
do you want them to win it?
I want to know what the best beverage they would put in their Milwaukee cup would be. It can be any kind of beverage, hot, cold.
What are you going to put in this cup?
Adult, non-adult, you know, maybe
Tea?
chocolate milk.
Because there's a lot of tea on the internet.
Maybe somebody wants some chocolate milk in there.
Chalky milk.
Chalky milk.
Okay, so you can win this cup. You just need to follow me.
Yep.
Share to 7,000 people. Make sure you hit the bell. Subscribe. Right, you got to be subscribed.
Yes.
Any shares
And
of
you
this
got to
video
tell
are
me
appreciated.
what you want
But
to...
tell her.
Yeah. Tell
And
me
she's
what you
going to
want.
pick.
Yeah.
She's going to pick.
I always pick. But I want to know, I'm going to pick the best answer because I'm going to read them all. And I want to know what people will put in this little...
Okay,
this
you
cup.
can win that.
You can.
Just listen to Packout Princess.
That's right. They got to listen to me.
All right.
It's hot.
Before we pack out, we do have to do one more thing.
Oh, what's that?
Give me the camera.
Uh-oh.
Where's your phone?
It's over here. Hang on. I got to get it.
All right. Did you find the video?
I did.
So you're going to pick a winner, right?
Yes,
All
I
right.
am.
Just
Are you ready? We're going to just scroll. How about this guy? John C.
what did he say?
He said, always great ideas from this channel. Now I just have to start executing. So maybe that can be like his first way of executing things.
And what did he win? He won
He won the feet. Not the feet. I'm sorry.
the ratchet straps.
Ratchet
Here, show
strap
him.
feet.
You show him.
Okay. Let's see if they go right. You put one here, and you put one here, and then you
And-
put your strap here.
Yeah. So
And these little lips make it so they don't come
the
out.
strap doesn't come out.
Yeah.
So once
And
you
can
put,
tie it down.
so once you put the strap through there and ratchet it, even if this does go forward, if obviously it's pulling down, it's not going to lift out. But we did make them fit the slots. They basically have Packout feet on the bottom. All right.
There it is. All right, John, see you won. We'll be messaging you.
All right. Well, so I have the camera now on you.
Lord.
Hey, do you want to try something real quick?
What am I trying?
We're gonna do 2 cups and 1 girl.
Oh, well, there's more than 2 cups. But okay, we can try it.
Okay. So you're let's
I'll be back. I'm gonna go change.
All right, cool.
I don't want to get this close.
All right. Well, where are you leaving? What are you gonna leave? What are you gonna say when you leave?
Pack out.
Oh, okay. Well, you got the short end of the stick.
I know. You said you wanted 2 girls and 1 cup, but I got 2 cups and 1 girl. So
Well, you're lucky, right? That one they don't leak, right?
yeah.
Oh, sorry, people. No. Here, actually, hold on. Here, try this cup.
Okay, I'll try this.
Try this
one.
cup.
Oh, okay. It's this one. This one.
That cup
definitely.
leaks.
This one
Oh,
definitely.
this isn't appropriate anymore. All right, it's time to.
Pack out.